Listening and reading practice. Lesson 1. Heat. Class 10. Physical science. Important 1 mark questions and answers. First question. What is meant by temperature? Second question. Define heat. What is meant by thermal equilibrium? What is humidity? Define dew. What is boiling? What is melting? What is the measure of the thermal equilibrium? What are the different energies possessed by the system? Why does samosa seem to be cool but hot when we eat? 11th question. On which factors does the rate of evaporation depend? What is the value of latent heat of evaporation of water? What is the value of latent heat of fusion of ice? Define condensation of steam. What is evaporation? Define melting point. What is meant by latent heat of fusion? What is internal energy? Why does ice floats on water? What is the value of following temperatures in Kelvin scale? A. 30 degrees Celsius. B. 70 degrees Celsius. So far, we have seen 20 questions, very short answers. Okay, short questions. Let us see what are the answers for these questions one by one. Answers. First question. What is meant by temperature? Let us see the answer. Temperature is a measure of the hotness and coldness of your body. Second question. Define heat. Answer. Heat is a form of energy which is transferred from hot body to cold body. Third question. What is meant by thermal equilibrium? If two or more bodies are at the same temperature, then they are said to be in thermal equilibrium. Fourth question. What is humidity? Answer. The amount of water vapor present in air is called humidity. Fifth question. Define dew. Answer. The water droplets condensed on a cool surface are known as dew. Sixth question. What is boiling? Answer. Boiling is a process in which the substance changes from liquid to gas at constant temperature. Seventh question. What is melting? Answer. The process by which A substance changes from solid to liquid state at a constant temperature is called melting. Eighth question. What is the measure of the thermal equilibrium? Answer. Temperature is the measure of thermal equilibrium. Ninth question. What are the different energies possessed by the system? Answer. The different energies possessed by the system are linear kinetic energy, rotational kinetic energy, vibrational kinetic energy, and potential kinetic energy. 10th question. Why does samosa seem to be cool but hot when we eat? Answer. Because the curry inside samosa contains ingredients with higher specific heats. 11th question. On which factors does the rate of evaporation depend? Answer. The rate of evaporation depends on the following factors: surface area, temperature, and humidity. Humidity is nothing but the amount of vapor already present in the surrounding air. 12th question. What is the value of latent heat of evaporation of water? Answer. Latent heat of vaporization of water is equal to 540 calories per gram or 2.26 into 10 power 6 joules per kg. Thirteenth question. What is the value of latent heat of fusion of ice? Answer. Latent heat of fusion of ice is 80 calories per gram or 3.26 into 10 to the power of 5 joules per kg. 14th question. Define condensation of steam. Answer. The process by which steam gets converted to water at 100 degrees Celsius by releasing heat is known as condensation of steam. 15th question. What is evaporation? What is evaporation? Answer. When a liquid is exposed to air, the molecules at the surface keep on escaping till the entire liquid disappears. This process, which takes place at any temperature, is known as evaporation. 16th question. Define melting point. Answer. Melting point. The temperature at which a particular substance changes from solid phase to liquid phase is called melting point. 17th question. What is meant by latent heat of fusion? Answer. Latent heat of fusion. The heat energy required to convert 1 gram of solid completely into liquid at a constant temperature is called latent heat of fusion. 18th question. What is internal energy? Answer. It is the energy possessed by the system by virtue of its molecular motion and molecular configuration. It is a stored energy. It depends on the temperature of the system. 19th question. Why does ice floats on water? Answer. The density of ice is less than the density of water, and so it floats on water. 20th question. What is the value of falling temperatures in Kelvin scale? A. 30 degrees Celsius and B. 70 degrees Celsius. Let us see the answer. The temperature in Kelvin scale is equal to 273 plus temperature in Celsius scale. This is the formula we have to use. First one, 30 degrees Celsius is equal to 273 plus 30 is equal to 303 kelvins. And second one, 70 degrees Celsius is equal to 273 plus 70 is equal to 343 kelvins.